Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I will be showing you how to increase your video graphics RAM on your Windows 10 and 11 version. This video is for all the manufacturer graphics, like if you are using the Intel or the AMD, and this will increase your system performance as well as the FPS. So how to do that? First of all, we need to check our manufacturer of graphics. We need to right click on the desktop and click on display settings. You need to scroll it down and look for this option, advanced display setting. Click on that, and we need to again scroll it down and look for display adapter properties for display 1, and you can also check the name of your graphic card manufacturer. Just click on that, and now you should be getting the properties. In my case, I'm using Intel SD graphics, so you can see here the total available graphics memory is 2112 and the dedicated memory is 128 MB only. So it's time to increase it. So I have make it some changes. You can see if you are using the 1 GB of the memory, you need to make the changes 128, 2 GB for 256 and 4 GB for 52, and accordingly you can follow this screen to make the changes in the registry editor. I will also put this information into my description box, so you can follow that also. Okay, so first of all, we need to navigate the registry editor in order to increase the VRAM on our Windows. So let me close this, okay, and go to search bar, type the registry, okay, and run it as an administrator. Click on yes button when the prompt opens, okay, and this is the registry editor. Here we need to double click on this option which says HKey local machine. Double click on that, and we need to double click on the software, okay, and I'm using here the Intel, so I'm looking for the Intel. If you are using the other graphic card manufacturer like AMD or other, we need to look for accordingly. Okay, so as you can see here, Intel, double click on the Intel, or if you are using the other graphic card manufacturer, just click on that. Same steps for all. We need to right click on here, okay, click on new and then key, and we need to type a GMM. All should be in a capital. Just hit enter, and now on the right hand side, just click that option GMM. On the right hand side, we need to paste this here like dedicated segment size, okay, so right click here, new D word 32 bit, okay, and dedicated D should be capital, dedicated segment S should be capital, we can also rename it like this, size S should be capital, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, carefully check this should be spelling dedicated segment size, dedicated segment size. Just double click on that. So now it's time to check your RAM, how much RAM you are using in your Windows. So we need to go to this search bar option and type the system information. Click on that. Once you click on that, you need to look for this option. Let me make it bigger. Install physical memory. Just need to click on this option, install physical memory, and in my case I'm using 4 GB RAM, okay, so I need to make its value to this 512. Just change its value to 512, okay, and hit OK. Just we have made the value to, you can see here also 512, okay, and close this and just restart your system, and thereafter your issue will be fixed and your system is going to boost. As well as you can also update your graphic cards from the device manager. Open the device manager, Okay, and look for display adapters. Just make a right click and update driver, connect with the network, search automatically. Now if you are getting this option, best driver is already installed, then well and good, you can go to the manufacturer website and install the driver from there. Okay, so this is how you can increase the video graphics RAM on your Windows 10 and 11 version. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.